in the Bassella Race in Oliana. This is Spain, and today we have a race of Enduro where it is more than 1,000 motorbikes, and if it rains, it's going to be more complicated. This is the parking of the riders. We have 1,000 riders here around the parking. Everyone is looking the wheel. I think not a lot of people is used to see this kind of. Actually, I never tried do the kind of dualies with the electric scooter with a wheel, because it's kind of you have to blend your knees. Hòstia! Què vols fer aquí?
I tu?
Ja, mira, jo estic aquí 30 minuts aquí.
Molt bé, tio. Ei, vols baixo per parar-ho? Jau! Ara. Què tal? Carlitos, què?
Hòstia, quina gràcia.
Grava, digues, mira qui he trobat, una estrella del rock and roll.
Com va?
Què tal, tio?
This is the area of refueling from the riders, because some riders are making 2 laps, and this means they have no tank for the gas. And I'm smiling because everyone is watching to me. It's kind of funny. All the motorbikes are in the line to start.
A las 10:10 salida de la categoría Friends, la más numerosa, la que pues hay más líneas, y recordamos también esa novedad para este año, que en el momento de la salida, motores parados, todos los... Hay que estar subido en la moto, hay que colocarse detrás de la moto, cogiendo con las manos el guardabarro trasero. Por lo tanto, hay que aguantar la moto con las manos aguantando por el guardabarro trasero y kilómetros por delante, más 2 vueltas. Por lo tanto, pues un recorrido.
Here is where the action starts. There, the pros are ready to start. I'm going to show you, all the motorbikes have some kind of here is the 1,000 motorbikes. Not all the riders start in the same time, because there are 3 categories. Everyone is watching to it. Anyway, I don't know what time they start, but it's like 9:40 and they start at 10. I think it's 20 minutes to start. Here we have the track. Okay, it's time. It's 10 minutes to start. I think it's time to open the drone.
I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, like something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I can crazy.
Start. This is the France category. It's the second one, but everyone is waiting for this category because it's the most popular or with more people.
I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, like something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go with you, shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heat it up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go with you and shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Yeah, lovely feeling to ride the wheel here. I just meet my cousin, he's over there.
Them.
2 minutos. Hola. Alfail. From everyone likes the wheel because it's something new. No one has seen this before, and it can go over everywhere. You see, you can go almost everywhere. Wow, this is road. The feeling here is like a bicycle, but much softer. Hey! Yes! Hey! We are in Bassella. This is the Enduro Race with more than 1,000 riders, not far away from Barcelona, Spain. This is the first rider. He's on the top, no one else is behind. Yeah, they're coming from here, but it's no one else behind. What is going on? Oh yeah, second one is coming. Here we have a drone. Let's see how they go. This is the second one. Okay, now I'm going to see how they put gasoline, because they must put gasoline in a few seconds because they have not a lot of time to refuel the motorbikes. ¿Subiré? ¿No subiré? Sí que he subido. Hasta luego. I'm having so much fun and I'm not riding. I've been making this race for 2-3 years when I was really young. That was 15 years ago. And now I'm just watching everything from the other side. Let's see their feeling. It's just the two first motorbikes are just over there. And I will see the extreme area. That is... ¡Hostia! ¿Qué diu el Ramon?
Què dius?
Ei!
Amb un aspirador.
Ahora ya sí, con el número 94, espectacular, Jaume Matreu. ¡Oh! Saltando.
I vas cap a l'altre.
Vols dir que no és millor anar recte en un lloc que no hi hagi cap pal o què?
Bueno, és per no ficar els peus a terra, però... ¡Vamos!
Uno buena porque uno termina es el 607, el otro...
¡Míralo, míralo! ¡Vamos!
Recordad, son nosotros. Llega el 561.
I anda de...
I gira i això, tio?
No, tio, això és glòria. Bueno,
He aconseguit girar, no he baixat, eh?
ja te l'enviaré.
Jaume Matreu, que se lleva la victoria. Cristóbal Guerrero en la segunda posición. Tercero para Hamish McDonald. Cuarta posición hemos visto a poco más y por detrás son los 5. Los 5 primeros es Enrique Francisco. Número 21, Enrique Francisco con la KTM, que llega también pues a la final. Piloto de Mataró, campeón de España de Enduro 3 en el 2019.
Start to rain. I'm going to get wet. Everything is wet, and I think it's time to go home because I think this nut's not going to stop. I think up there with the champion Jaume Betry just won the race. Is this one up here? The race, and it was 2 hours 40-50 minutes. So cool. Whatever, this is the vlog. This is the Bassella Race 2022 here in Oliana, Spain. Thank you for watching. See you next vlog. Bye. Hòstia, que poder tan brutal un tal Fico. Està una mica barro, eh? Aquí vaig. Aquí vaig. Hòstia, ja m'he fet relacions amb el...